Baka intimidated ka sa strong independent woman kasi mali yung pakaintindi mo kung ano ang strong independent woman. Pag-usapan natin yan. Ano, game? Tara, let's start. Let's be clear. A strong independent woman is not just a woman who can pay her bills and has her own money. Kung ganon, edi congrats. Pero that's not strength. That's some basic adult shit. You're supposed to pay your bills. You're supposed to have your own money. But making it sound like it's one big achievement? You're funny. Strength isn't I can pay my rent. Strength is I can sit alone with my thoughts and not run back to a toxic ex just because I'm lonely. Ang strong independent woman, hindi finiflex ang bank account. Ang finiflex niya, boundaries. She knows how to walk away kahit mahal niya pa. She knows how to be alone without being incomplete. Hindi siya pumapasok ng relasyon dahil kailangan niya ng lalaki. Hindi dahil bored siya at mas lalong hindi dahil takot siyang mag-isa. She gets into a relationship because she wants to share her life, not because she wants somebody to save her. Strong independent women don't say, I can live without you. They say, I am good on my own, but I choose you. And let's be honest, ang ganong klaseng babae ay delikado para sa mahinang lalaki. Because you can't manipulate her with attention, you can't control her with money, and you can't scare her with silence. Hindi siya nai-impress sa potensyal. Hindi siya namumove ng sweet talk. Ang tinitingnan niya, actions, consistency, and effort. Ang strong independent woman, hindi nagmamakaawa para piliin. Pinipili niya yung sarili niya every single time. And one more thing, a strong independent woman is not allergic to being helped. Hindi dahil kaya niyang gawin lahat, ibig sabihin, gagawin niyang mag-isa. She's not trying to win anything. Hindi siya nakikipag-competition. She asks for help when she needs it because she knows the difference between capable and prideful. Kaya niya, but she doesn't have to. And that's powerful. Real talk, strength is knowing that you can carry the weight but choosing not to break your back just to look tough. Hindi niya nakikita ang help as weakness. She sees it as wisdom. Because healed women don't isolate themselves. They build a community, they build support, they build a team. A strong independent woman doesn't say, I'll do everything alone so that no one can disappoint me. What she says is, I trust myself enough to ask,